Companies handling sensitive information of their customers, partners, and employees are accountable for securely managing their data. This includes having comprehensive security risk assessments, data protection policies, awareness training, and having relevant documents on how data is processed. If companies fail to process sensitive data securely, or if there's a security breach, it can be liable for their customers or individuals to file lawsuits. Data Brackets can help companies easily and efficiently complete security risk assessment requirements by reviewing all of the key security controls against their existing processes, technology, and documentation. In addition, Data Brackets' Security Risk Assessment Package provides easy-to-use templates, training, and other relevant forms to implement any missing controls. You can complete your security risk assessments either by leveraging our DIY platform or having one of our certified professional consultants complete it for you. Request for a free quote now.